Chika Minute! Madaming napatanong kung ano nga ba talaga ang real score between Donnie and Belle matapos ang birthday party ni Belle Mariano. Totoo nga ba silang magkasintahan o fan service lamang? May nabasa nga ako sa Reddit. Say niya, I came across a video from what looks like Belle's private birthday party, and I couldn't help but notice that Donnie was the DJ and also the one who brought out the cake, considering it's a private event and not a public promo or fan service. It seemed a bit telling. The crowd even started shouting for them to kiss, just wondering if there is anything confirmed between them or if it is still all for the love team. At ito nga ang mga ilang naging komento ng mga netizens. Ayon kay Public Weight, walang may alam kasi wala namang inaamin. Seems like they enjoy each other's company naman kahit real pa sila or in real life. Ayon kay Mysterious T, not their fan but also not a hater. Masasabi ko wala silang inaamin so madaming sabihan na love team sila, which is true din naman. Pero since birthday party yata to ni Belle with only people close to her attending, syempre this would also mean wala kang ka-secret relationship. Si Donnie or else martyr na yung GF na papayag may mga ganito. Na di naman sila binabayaran ng TF at wala namang prino-promote na shows. Hirit pa ng isa, may mga empleyado at restaurant staff or even acquaintance na pwedeng mag-spluk at mag-chismis dyan. For as long as nasa public space ang isang artista, kesyo private event pa, they are not away from prying eyes and ears, so they still need to maintain a certain behavior, image if they care about their public image or careers. And they could also just very close friends given the length of time they spend together and their family friends to vote. And if maging sila, then no problem either. Wala sa kanila ang may sabit na GFBF. Say pa ni Juan Yogurt Closet, take everything with a grain of salt. Showbiz yan, literal na showbiz business. Anything for entertainment, gagawin ng mga artista. I'm not just talking about Don Bell here. Kasi yan, kabuhayan nila. Wala silang difference sa mga politicians, pareho silang umaarte, pareho silang nag-iingay kapag may project or election. Pareho silang gusto umapil sa masa kasi nandoon nga ang pera.